President Emerson Mnangagwa, the chief prophet, Andrew Utaunashe, has laid a public call for Botswana's Francistown to be renamed to its original Kalanga name, Nyangabwe. Sanapenda mashoko pangwa ina negotiations ED prophet Utaunashe wants Botswana to rename Francistown to Zimbabwe Empire. Nyangabwe, don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina mzimu ayo abdanyira chiti. Utaunashe made the call during a Sunday church function where they summoned his local church elder to justify why the city should abandon its colonial era name. The development comes barely a year after Utaunashe caused controversy by demanding that the Tswana community purchase a brand new car for the burly preacher, an incident that drew widespread criticism in Botswana. On Sunday, Utaunashe began by posing a pointed question to his audience. "So who is Francis?" asked Utaunashe. He then instructed his church elder from Francistown to explain the historical basis of the renaming. The elder delivered a detailed response, arguing that the town's current name had no cultural or indigenous legitimacy. Last year, the Botswana government bought all the farms belonging to that company, so at least we managed to take back our land, the elder said. This town was named after the Daniel Francis. During my time in the council, we moved a motion that the town should be called Nyangabwe after the prominent you. We are still fighting that battle, that the city must be renamed Nyangabwe. Utaunashe amplified this message, insisting that the name Francistown glorifies a British colonial figure who benefited from the Rhodesian Empire and the British South Africa Company, while erasing the Karanka people who originally occupied the land. Tomashukarubuda pangwa idoi. Botza mafunguro modu di pamsel pechit kwich. Penako mezi kishembetu mafunguro so subscribe or like, on the bell icon.